Whatever you do to your hair after that to style it, that's what you do. So I recommend for people who have loose, natural hair as a moisturizer to put on your hair after you finish your shampoo and treatment process, I recommend this Adiva Lusterizer. This is a product by a young lady who creates all her own products. It's all natural, all organic, nothing synthetic in it, no chemicals at all. If your hair is loose and it's natural, you will love this. For a lot of people who look for some type of a shine, okay, and like I told you earlier, natural hair does not reflect light, so you're not going to get a shine. But if you want a they call it a lusterizer because it gives your hair a look of luster. It rejuvenates the hair. It brings out your natural color. It doesn't look dull. I'm going to use it on, what's your name again? Charlene. I'm going to use it on Charlene and so you guys can see what it looks like. But this is what I would recommend as a finisher for people who have loose natural hair or even relaxed hair. It's going to work, okay? If you have locks or you know somebody that has locks, once you finish the treatment process, then I recommend this. It's an Adiva leave-in conditioner. And I recommend this for people who have locks, who have twists like you have in your hair. This works wonderful on that, okay? For people who have braids, okay? This works great on the hair, okay? And the Elixir also works great. Which one was that? This is the Adiva leave-in conditioner. And I'm gonna tell you something else about this Adiva leave-in conditioner and the Lusterizer. All of the Adiva products, these two, they're moisturizers and conditioners, you can use this on your skin. I wouldn't recommend my face, but I'm talking about like your hands, your feet, this stuff is phenomenal. Okay, so now you're killing two birds with one stone. Leave-in conditioner for your hair, and it says it on here, I think it says, yeah, leave-in hair and skin conditioner. Okay, so these two products act as finishers. Okay. Oh, sure. Okay, so those two products work as finishers, okay? Now, if you have locks, if you wear braids, like with my daughter's here, her braids stay in for at least 2 months. I don't recommend anybody leave anything in their hair that's not naturally yours for more than 2.5 months. I just don't recommend it. Whether it's braids, whether it's weave, whatever it is, am I right?
Yes.
Right. Okay, so you need to take, if you're wearing braids or whatever, even though it's lasting, and even though you go to a salon and the person tells you, oh, your hair is going to last 3 months or 6 months, they're lying to you. Oh, it's going to last. It's going to last. But when you go to comb your hair out, that hair that was lasting is going to be on the floor. Okay? Because what happens is the weight of the braid or the twist, even the weave, it gets to be heavy as your hair grows out. The whole purpose is to wear them as protective styles. Most people who wear braids and weaves or twists or whatever, you wear it as a protective style so you don't have to do anything to your hair on a regular basis. You can kind of just get up and go, okay? But that get up and go is going to get up and have gone because your hair will fall out when it starts to grow out and it dangles. That's how you know it's time to take it out. So in the process, though, in the meantime, you still need to do something to keep your scalp clean. You don't have to necessarily wash your hair with braids or weave, but again, the Elixir is the perfect choice because you spray it in. If you have a weave, you can spray it in to your parts. If you wear twists like you have, or twists like you or braids, I clean her hair with this. Well, I don't do it anymore. She does it herself, but to keep her hair clean, and then her braids always look refreshed. And I know her scalp is clean. I know her hair is clean. And the other thing, when time comes to take it out, your hair will just glide. It'll come right out. You know how you get that buildup around braids and twists when you have it braided from the product? It breaks the buildup down. So when you go to take your braids and your weave or whatever out, there's no buildup. In the hair, it just slides right out. So you don't lose a lot of hair in the process. So this is excellent for that as well. Okay?